Good evening. Today I am going to present you some numerical examples in physics, which you will find easy to study 10+1. अर्थात् एसी दिएर बसेका विद्यार्थीहरूको लागि ब्रिज कोर्सको लागि के हेल्प होस् भन्ने उद्देश्यले केही न्युमेरिकल एक्जाम्पल गर्न थालेको छ। आज दुईटा एक्जाम्पल गरिन्छ। एक्जाम्पल नम्बर 1 मा अपवर्ड मोसन र अर्को डाउनवर्ड मोसन गरी दुई प्रकारको विदाउट वेस्टिङ टाइम एक नम्बरको क्वेसनमा म दिन्छु a body of mass 100 gram is dropped and it reaches a well in 5 seconds. Find the depth of the well and the kinetic energy of the body. A body of mass, एउटा बडीलाई माथिबाट फालिएको छ यो इनारमा, यसको 5 सेकेन्डमा तल पुग्छ। It reaches a well or depth of the well. यहाँनिर well depth भन्ने अर्थ बुझौँ। well depth in 5 seconds, 5 सेकेन्डमा त्यो इनारको पिँधो पुग्छ भन्ने अर्थ बुझौँ। यसरी यहाँनिर अब्जेक्ट राखेको छ। अब्जेक्ट इज हियर, इनिशियल भेलोसिटी 0, यसको जी को भ्यालु हुन्छ अब 9.8, आइदर 9.8 or फर द सेक अफ कन्भिनियन्स 10 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड स्क्वायर भी निकाल्ने र टी इक्वल 5 सेकेन्ड छ। अब हामीलाई थाहा छ यु इक्वल 0 भएको हुनाले यसको कसरी निकालिन्छ भन्दा डाइरेक्ट हामीले एच इक्वल हाफ जीटी स्क्वायरबाट हामीले निकाल्न सक्छौँ। सोलुसन, you have already learned the theory for downward motion. For downward motion, I am going to write it again. U equal 0. You get G equal 10 meter per second square. Time taken is 5 seconds. We have to find depth, velocity, final velocity, and kinetic energy of the body. First of all, how to find out? First, you have to find out h. Or you can easily find out v equal u plus gt. That is also correct. v equal u plus gt. That is the final velocity or the velocity of the body with which it strikes the depth of the well. माथिबाट खस्दा यो बडी तलतिर आउँछ due to acceleration, due to gravity. v equal u plus gt, or you can use directly gt for downward motion. u0 g10, time taken is 5 seconds, so 50 meter per second. The mass of the body is given 100 gram. First of all, final velocity, and what is the maximum or what is the depth? Depth of the well is given as ut plus half gt square, or directly half gt square पनि गर्न सकिन्छ because u is 0 for downward motion. u is 0 भएको हुनाले u0 time 5 second half 10 5 square, यसलाई गर्दा 0 5 square 125 meter is the depth of the well. इनार 125 मिटर गहिरो छ। अब यसको म्याक्सिमम काइनेटिक एनर्जी निकाल्दा, अब टु फाइन्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी, व्हाट इज द मास अफ द बडी? मास इज 100 ग्राम. यु नो एमकेएस सिस्टम. फेरि you have to know MKS system, meter kg second. So change 100 gram into gram, 0.1 kg. You can change gram into kilogram. What is the formula of kinetic energy? Kinetic energy formula half mv square हुन्छ. यो चाहिँ याद गर्नुपर्छ. For dynamics half mv square. Half is half m 0.1 v square is p 50 whole square. यसलाई गर्दा half into 0.1 into 2500 यसले काट्यो 1250 into गर्दा 125 joule. So what you have to find? You have to find depth of the well. कति आएछ? Depth of the well आएको छ 125 meter and kinetic energy is K for kinetic energy यो आएको छ 125 joule. यो बाई चान्स यो इक्वल देखियो 125 meter depth 125 joule. Okay, यसलाई फेरि क्विक रिभिजन. Mass 100 gram change into gram kg. Drop down. U equal 0. G 10.8. Time taken 5 seconds. Final velocity what? U0, G10, T5, H watt, B watt, K watt. B equal U plus GT. U plus GT 50 meter per second. Depth UT plus half GT square. 0 into 5 plus half 10 into 5 square is 125 meter. Mass 100 gram 0.1 kg. Divide by 1000 mk system. Depth is 125 meter. You have to write measurement and unit. Unit is very important. 125 meter. Kinetic energy equal 125 joule. In this way you can for downward motion U equal 0 V निकाल्ने अनि भ्यालु राख्ने. Formula B U plus GT. Depth UT plus half GT square. KE half mv square. You have to know this formula. Downward motion को लागि यस्तो हुन्छ. Now upward motion. One numerical example downward motion. Next is upward motion. Upward motion को लागि एउटा क्वेशन लेखिन्छ. I write one question for upward motion. A body is projected vertically upwards with an initial velocity of 19.6 meter per second. Find the maximum height and the time taken to reach that height. This one is purely vertically upward motion. Vertically upward motion. A body is projected माथिर फालेको छ vertically upwards with an initial velocity of 19.6 meter per second. 19.6 meter per second ले माथिर फालेको छ. त्यो बडी कति हाइटसम्म पुग्छ र टाइम अफ फ्लाइट कति होला. अब यसको लागि हामीले यसमा one thing मात्रै दिएको छ, इनिशियल भेलोसिटी गिवन. अब यसको लागि डायग्राम हामी ड्रा गरौँ. अपवर्ड मोसन u 19.6 meter per second, g minus 9.8 meter per second because it is upward motion. For the maximum height, your body it goes up because it is projected upwards with 19.6 meter per second square. It goes up. It is the work done against gravity. gravity acts downwards but we are doing work upwards. पृथ्वीले तलतिर तानिरहेको छ, हामीले यसलाई माथितिर फालिरहेका छौँ. वर्क डन अगेन्स्ट ग्राभिटी छ. त्यो हिसाब हामीले गर्न गइरहेका छौँ. सजिलै छ. Solution: a body is projected vertically upward with an initial velocity of u for initial velocity 19.6 meter per second. Find the maximum height. V equals 0 at maximum height. For maximum height, it goes up and it stops. माथि गएर रोकिन्छ. V चाहिँ 0 हुन्छ. For since it is upward motion, G is always negative for upward motion. U is given, V is given, G is minus 9.8. V is 0 at the maximum height. And how to find out its max? We know its maximum height is U square by 2G. If you are confused, you have to know this formula. V square equal U square plus 2GH. V is 0, U is U minus 2GH. Because G is negative. यो प्लस हामीले यहाँ माइनस लेख्यौँ किन? Because G is negative. अब यहाँबाट H निकाल्दा U square by 2GH. So maximum height for upward motion is U square upon 2G for class 11. 11 क्लासमा पढ्ने विद्यार्थीको लागि चाहिँ डाइरेक्ट U formula you can use U square upon twice G. U is initial velocity 19.6 whole square. 2G is 9.8. Your 19.6 into 19.6 यो पनि हुन्छ 19.6. What? 19.6 meter. If you can use a calculator as well. Calculator प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ. Total height is maximum height is 19.6 meter. Total height you have to double it. And what is the time taken? Since V equal U plus GT, V is 0, U minus GT. From here, U by G. Time is, what is the time taken? Time taken to reach the maximum height. यो बडीलाई, that object लाई maximum height सम्म जान कति समय लाग्छ त? We don't know. Since V equal U plus GT, you can use directly V0, G is minus, U0 equal U minus GT. From here you can use T equal U by G. We know T equal U upon G is the time taken. U is 19.6, G is 9.8. Minus minus cancel, 2 seconds. That means time taken to go up is 2 seconds. And it takes 2 seconds to come down. Time of flight. If you have to find time of flight निकाल्नु पर्यो भने 2t निकाल्ने. So, what is the maximum height? Maximum height is 19.6 meter and time taken T is 2 seconds. Answer. Again, quick revision. Initial velocity is 19.6 meter per second. Final velocity is 0. At the maximum height, final velocity is 0. Work done against gravity. Because the earth pulls it downwards, but it is projected upward. हामीले माथितिर फालेका छौँ, पृथ्वीले तलतिर तान्छ. तैपनि यो 2 सेकेन्डमा म्याक्सिमम हाइटमा जान्छ. H max U square by 2G 19.6. Maximum height 19.6. Time to go that height is U upon G. If you are confused, you can use V equal U plus GT. It is derived. This formula is derived from V equal U plus GT. Don't be confused. V is 0. Maximum height ma U is U plus G is minus G. Because for maximum for upward motion U को value जहिले पनि something हुन्छ, G negative हुन्छ. From where you can derive T equal U by G. If you have forgotten, बिर्सेमा यो गर्ने तर डाइरेक्ट we can use T equal U by G and H max U square by 2G and U by G U square upon 2G. यहाँ U को U square G को 2G गर्ने म्याक्सिमम हाइटमा टाइमको लागि U by G गर्ने निस्किन्छ. So maximum height is 19.6 meter and time is 2 seconds. And time of flight भन्यो भने time to go up and to go down 2 into 2 4. Total height it goes up and it comes down 2 into 19.6. In this way you can use this formula for upward motion को लागि v equal 0, downward motion u equal 0, upward motion g equal minus 9.8 meter per second square, downward motion g equal plus 9.8 meter per second square. I think these numerical examples are very helpful to you. This much for today.